picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak.
Hey Glam fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another alopecia cover up crochet style. So you all just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you all are wanting a slow down version of how I do my knots, please let me know in the comments. Also, you'll see me covered up her face just for the sake of her comfortability. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this style. Also, if you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing to the channel and joining the Glam fam. We'd love to have you here. Thanks for watching.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. You were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always